there everyone, I'm just about to show you now how to use your punch cards in your silver reed. You have a pack of punch cards like this and they all do different things. So for this demonstration I'd like to show you how to work the fair isle. So you have a punch card with a pattern on. It's 24 stitches across, and what it will do is repeat each side. So it's a little bit like if you've ever done wallpapering, you match up the sides either side. So across our needle bed you're going to have a repeat of 24 stitches each side. So the first thing to do is to insert the card into the drum. So just make sure it's secure there, and then you have a little wheel that you can bring it down to row 1, and then if you go from the triangle at the top to the circle, that's the stop button, and that just keeps it in place so it's not going to rotate around the drum that's inside. So I need to register this so that the machine knows what pattern I'm going to knit. So just take your carriage across and knit one row, and as long as these drums here have gone past your little section where your punch card is, then you're ready to go. So take off the stop button and you're going to go back to that little triangle, and then we need to go to F on your stitch dial, F standing for fair isle, and then the last thing we do is we need to bring in our second yarn, which I've already threaded up, and that goes into feeder 2. So just hold it to the side and keep hold of it until you've done the row across, and that's knitted in the second colour that we're using. And now you can just keep knitting. So I'm just going to take that off for you, just so you can have a quick look at the pattern and just see how quickly you can get started. So back to 0, I'm going to snap my yarns, put them in the yarn holders. Take off the weights. And then I'm just going to bring this across, and you can see the pattern has started. So it's really quick and easy to get going.